Hello everyone, today we're mastering async Python in two parts. How to unit test async code properly using pytest, and how the event loop works by building our own task dispatcher. Let's jump right into the code. To test async functions, you need pytest and pytest-asyncio. The key is using pytest.mark.asyncio. So pytest runs your test inside an event loop. Here is our service. In our service, excuse me, and return. Go back to the app.py, and here is how we test both success and error cases. Look at the code. Excuse me. Okay. Part 2. Building a custom task dispatcher. Comment the code. Okay. How does Python decide which task to run first? It uses a priority queue based on execution timestamps. Let's build a lightweight version with heapq. Look at the code. Another function. And a start function. And accept. Okay. Running the code demonstrates that tasks run by target time, regardless of a schedule order. Look at the code. and main function. Another engine. And another. And await engine.start. And asyncio.run main. Okay, let's run the code. Excuse me. Perfect. Even though task B was added first, task A 0.5s runs first because of the heap sorting. That's the core mechanism behind even loops. Like, subscribe, and drop any question below. See you next time.